مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Now let's learn how to ask about somebody's name. What's your name in Arabic? Masmuka. Masmuka, what's your name? The ka, this blue here, indicating that I'm asking a male. What's your name? A single male. What's your name? Masmuka. Let's write it for you using the Arabic script. Masmuka, ma is what? Ma, mas, mu, ka. Attach pronoun at the end indicating that I'm asking a man. Masmuka, what's your name? If I want to ask a lady's name, I will say Masmuki. The ending will be Kesra. Masmuki, what's your name? Let's write that as well. So Masmuki, what's your name? Masmuka, Masmuki. Now, occasionally, in fact, not occasionally really, we need to know how to ask somebody's name in a more polite way, or somebody that we want to show sign of respect to, like a sir. Masmuka still the same, but we're going to add a little bit to that. We will say Masmukel Karim. Masmukel Karim is like saying, what's your good name? Masmukel Karim. Also, we can use Hadrat. It stands for like a sir, sign of respect. Masmu Hadratika. Masmu Hadratika. The same thing for female. If you are asking a lady's name, showing a more sign of respect, you will say Masmu Kil Karim. Masmu Hadratiki. Masmu Hadratik. Let's represent that in Arabic as well, using the Arabic script here. So Masmu Kil Karim. Masmu Kal Karim. Masmu Kal Karim. What's your good name? What's your generous name? So this Al Karim is describing the name. Masmu Kal Karim. To a lady, you say Masmu Kil Karim. Masmu Kil Karim remains the same because it's describing the name rather than the person that you're speaking to. So Masmu Kal Karim. What's your generous and noble and good name? Masmu Hadratika. What's your name, sir? Masmu Hadratiki. And what's your name, madam? Masmu Kal Karim. Masmu Hadratika. Masmu Hadratiki. Let's write that as well. So Masmu Kil Karim. What's your good name? And Masmu Hadratika. Masmu. So that will be separate. Masmu Hadratika for a man. Masmu Hadratika or Masmu Hadratiki. Let's put this here. Masmu Hadratiki. So let's try that. Masmuka, Masmuki. That's a straightforward. What's your name? Speaking to a man. Masmuki. What's your name? Speaking to a lady. Masmuk al Karim. Again, speaking to a man. with a little bit of addition to show sign of respect. Masmu Hadrati, Masmu Kel Karim, what's your noble name? What's your good name? Masmu Kel Karim, addressing a female. What's your good name? Masmu Hadratika, what's your name, sir? Masmu Hadratiki, what's your name, madam? Right. So this is the equivalent using the Arabic text for those of you who want to see it written in Arabic. If you don't know how to read this and you would like to be able to do so in a very easy way, I recommend that you go to the YouTube and search for my previous posting entitled Arabic from the Beginning, Part 1. Under my name, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye, 18 lessons, and that will teach you how to read and write Arabic easily and very, very fluently as well. So, Masmuka, Masmuki, Masmukal Karim, Masmukil Karim, Masmu Hadratika, Masmu Hadratiki. Now, as promised, let's throw in a little bit of dialect and colloquial there. Some aspect of colloquial that becomes so common. It becomes like a MSA as well, which is Modern Standard Arabic. Among these are these couple of expressions. Ismake, Ismake, that's mean, what's your name? A very easy dialectical expression. Ismake, what's your name? Ismike, what's your name? This is directed at the female, and this is a male. Ismake, Ismike. Again, obviously, when you want to show sign of respect, you use Masmu Hadratik. Another expression in the colloquial expression is Shu Smak. Again, what's your name? That's speaking to a man. Shu Smak. Shu Ismik, speaking to a girl or a lady. Ismake, Ismike. Shu Ismak, Shu Ismik. It's a very common and understood as well throughout the Arab world. So, Masmuka, Masmuki, Masmul Kal Karim, Masmukil Karim, Masmu Hadratika, Masmu Hadratiki. Ismake, Ismike, Shu Ismak, Shu Ismik. So you have option there, and hopefully you'll be able to go out and practice that. Now, let me give you a little bit of additional vocabulary. The response, of course, to all this is the same. Ismi, my name is. My name is, and this is gender neutral. You do not need to say different thing for a man or a woman. A speaker in Arabic, usually the same expression. You say, Ismi, my name is. Let's write it here. Ismi, and then your name. So let's practice that. Imagine you are speaking to me. You say to me, Masmuka, and I will say, Ismi Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. And if you are a lady, I will ask about your name. Masmuki, what's your name? And then you say, Ismi Maryam, Ismi Sarah, and so on. Or you can say to me, Masmuk Al Karim, what's your good name? I will say, Ismi Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Now, for a lady, I will say, Masmuk Al Karim, what's your good name? What's your generous name? You will say, Ismi, followed by your name. My name is. You may wish to ask me the same question using this expression. Masmu Hadratika, what's your name, sir? I will say, Ismi Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. And I want to ask you and showing due respect to you, and you are a lady. I will say, Masmu Hadratiki, what's your name, madam? And you will say ismi and then your name. Or maybe you may be casual with me and say ismaki, what's your name? I used to say ismi Dr. Imran Hamza Alawi, and I can be slightly casual with you as well. Say ismiki, what's your name? Or Shu Ismik, what's your name? You can say to me as well, Shu Ismak, what's your name? The response will all be Ismi, my name is, and then you name yourself. Right. To give you a preparation for what's coming next, I'm giving you these two vocab. One is Naam. Naam means yes. And colloquial equivalent is Aywa. Aywa. And La means no. You might hear it being pronounced, it might be pronounced in colloquial La. La. So Naam, that's Ain. Naam. Aywa. Yes. Yes. La. No. La. No. So we're going to put that into use next. Okay? So you know now how to ask question about what's your name? Masmuka, Masmuki, Masmuk al-Karim, Masmuk al-Karim, Masmu hadratika, Masmu hadratiki, Shu ismak, Shu ismik, Ismake, Ismike, Ismi, and then your name.